We're going to do a really common breathing exercise called box breathing. So this is used in the yoga world, but it's also used, like Navy SEALs use it. It is a handy tool to have in your toolbox anytime you feel stressed. It actually helps with physical stress symptoms. It helps emotions and well-being, so it helps with anxiety and stress, depression. It can improve your mental clarity and give you a little bit more energy and focus too. So, based on your breathing assessment, that's how you're going to pick how long to do this for. So, you can do it as short as 3 seconds or as long as maybe 10 seconds. So what we're going to be doing is breathing in equal parts along the way. So we're going to inhale for 4 seconds, or whatever you choose. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds, and then hold your breath out for 4 seconds. So whatever you choose, you're doing it equally in every round, that same timing. So I want you to just pick your time. I'm going to guide you through doing it for 4 seconds in each part. So sit up tall, palms up, close your eyes, relax your shoulders. Just take a normal breath in first. And exhale. And then I want you to inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold it out, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold it out, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold it out, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold it out, 2, 3, 4. Halfway there. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Last time. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Let your breathing to return to normal. Good. So that's a great one for stress relief, anxiety, frustration. It'll just bring you back to a centered place in your mind. So make sure you remember that one. It's a handy tool in your toolbox. And for my clients I've chatted to, it becomes one of their go-to methods of stress release.